Have you ever noticed how stocks that returned over 100% only become popular after they've gone up? Nobody talks about them when they are boring. And that's exactly why most people buy at the wrong time. If you've ever felt like investing is a game that you're always late to, this video is for you. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever looked at your savings and thought, I'm trying, but this money is not moving? You hear people talk about stocks, dividends, US markets, Nigerian markets, but once you try to learn, it feels confusing, risky, and overwhelming. And the truth is, you're not scared of investing, you're scared of making a costly mistake. Here is the truth. You are not alone. Thousands of Nigerians, both home and abroad, feel exactly the same way. But here is what separates those who build wealth from those who don't. They took that first educated step. And that's exactly why I'm here today. My name is Anne. I am a chartered accountant with over a decade of experience in both the banking and insurance sectors, who is very passionate about helping Nigerians, both home and abroad, take better control of their finances. And today, I want to show you the fastest way to earn passive income in 2026. I am thrilled to announce something that I have been working on for months, something that's going to change the way you think about money forever. I am hosting a live stock investing masterclass, and it's designed specifically for beginners who are tired of sitting on the sidelines while their money loses value to inflation. I've helped thousands of Nigerians move from confusion to confidence when it comes to investing. And I created this masterclass because I was tired of seeing people lose money in the stock market simply because of lack of proper guidance. This isn't just another webinar full of theory and complicated charts. This is a practical step-by-step roadmap that will take you from I don't know where to start to I just made my first investment with confidence in just a matter of hours. Now, let me be clear about what this masterclass is and what it isn't. This is not a get-quick-rich scheme. I am not going to promise you overnight millions or secret trading hacks. What I am going to give you is something far more valuable, a solid foundation in stock investing that will serve you for decades to come. Whether you're a complete beginner who has never bought a single stock, or someone who has dabbled but never really understood what they were doing, this masterclass will meet you exactly where you are and take you to where you need to be. By the end of this masterclass, you'll know exactly what stocks to look at, how to buy them, and why you are buying them. First, you're going to learn how to build a beginner-friendly stock portfolio from scratch. I will show you the exact framework I use to structure portfolios that balance growth potential with safety, giving you a clear blueprint that you can follow immediately. Second, I will review which Nigerian and US stocks you should be paying attention to. Look, not all stocks are created equal. Some are perfect for beginners, while others are traps for the uninformed. I will show you how to identify quality stocks both in the US and Nigerian markets, and why diversification across these markets is your secret weapon in 2026. Third, we are going to talk about the costly mistakes that beginners make, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. I've seen people lose a lot of money simply because they didn't know these simple rules. You are going to learn from others' mistakes without having to make them yourself. Fourth, I will teach you how to invest consistently for long-term wealth, because here is the thing. Investing isn't about making one lucky bet. It's about developing a system that works month after month, year after year. I will show you exactly how to build that system, regardless of your current income level. And most importantly, we are going to start investing immediately with confidence. Not next month, not next year, right after the masterclass. You have the knowledge, the tools, and the courage to take action, because knowledge without action is just entertainment, and I want you to actually build wealth, not just learn about it. Now, as if all of that wasn't enough, I've put together some credible bonuses for those who register early. Bonus number 1, my beginner's stock market checklist. This is the exact checklist I wish I had when I started investing. It walks you through every single step of your investment journey, so you never feel lost or confused about what to do next. Bonus number 2, 10 stocks on my personal 2026 watch list. These are companies I am personally watching and considering for my own portfolio. You will get the list plus my reasoning behind each selection. This is like looking over my shoulder as I evaluate opportunities. Bonus number 3, 1 year replay access. Life happens, I get it. Maybe you can't attend live, or maybe you want to review the material again in 6 months. You will have full access to the replay for an entire year so that you can learn at your own pace and revisit concepts whenever you need a refresher. Bonus number 4, access to a support group. This isn't just the masterclass itself, it's about building a community. You'll be surrounded by like-minded people who are on the same journey, asking the same questions, and celebrating the same wins. The network you build here could be just as valuable as the knowledge you get. I and my team will also be available to help you even after the masterclass. Bonus number 5, a live Q&A session with me. Bring your specific questions, your unique situations, your concerns, and I will address them directly. No question is too basic. No situation is too complex. This is your chance to get personalized guidance right in the masterclass. And here is where it gets really exciting. 5 lucky attendees who show up live will win free stocks just for being there. Imagine starting your investment journey with actual stocks already in your portfolio, completely free. That could be you. This masterclass costs less than the mistakes most beginners make in their first month of investing. Yes, it is very affordable. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, and I don't have enough money to start investing. Let me stop you right there. One of the biggest myths about investing is that you need a lot of money to begin. That's simply not true anymore. I will show you exactly how to start with whatever amount you have, even if it's just a few thousands of naira. But Anne, what if I lose money? Look, I'm going to be honest with you. There's always risk in investing. But you know what's riskier? Leaving your money in a savings account where inflation eats away at its value year after year. The goal isn't to eliminate risks, it is to understand it and manage it intelligently. I'm too busy to learn all of this. I get it, you're busy. But here is the question. Are you too busy to secure your financial future? This masterclass is designed to be efficient. I'm going to be giving you the exact information you need. Nothing more, nothing less. A few hours invested now could change the trajectory of your entire financial life and help you set up your children the right way. Let's help our children in ways we weren't helped. What if I'm too late? What if I should have started investing years ago? The best time is today. Yes, you might have missed some opportunities in the past, but there are incredible opportunities right now and going forward. And I'm going to show you exactly where those opportunities are. Every month you delay, inflation keeps working against you, and the gap between the people who invest and the people who don't keep widening. This masterclass is filling up fast, and I can only accommodate a limited number of participants to ensure everyone gets the attention they deserve. If you're watching this and feeling even the slightest pull towards taking control of your financial future, that's your intuition telling you it's time. Let me paint you a picture where you could be in just a few months from now. Imagine opening up your investment app and seeing your portfolio growing steadily. Imagine the confidence you feel knowing that your money is working for you even while you sleep. Imagine being the person that your friends come to for investment advice, instead of feeling left out of all those conversations. Imagine 5 years from now, looking back at this moment as the turning point, the day you decided to stop being a spectator and become a participant in wealth building. That's not fantasy. That's what happens when you combine knowledge with action. This masterclass is more than just stocks and portfolios. It's about taking control of your financial destiny. It's about breaking free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle. It's about building something that will benefit not just you, but your family, your children, and generations to come. You deserve to feel confident about your financial future. You deserve to understand how money works and how to make it work for you. And you absolutely deserve to build wealth without feeling confused, scared, or overwhelmed. So here is what I need you to do right now while you're still watching this. Go to the link in the description. It will also be pinned in the comment section, and register for the stock investing masterclass. Don't overthink this. If you have been waiting for clarity, this is it. Click the link, secure your spot. You can also get multiple tickets for your loved ones. This is Anne, and I can't wait to help you build the financial future you deserve. I'll see you in the masterclass.